Your lesson essential question is, how can you use skip counting to find missing numbers on a number line? So today we're going to focus on skip counting on a number line. So we'll be looking at some patterns on that number line, and you'll be able to find those missing numbers by knowing about these patterns. So you all know how to skip count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We can skip count by fives from any number. So say we started at 400. 400, 405, 410, 415, 420, 425, 430. Do you notice any patterns? A pattern that you might see is, as we're counting, our ones place goes from 0 to 5. 0, 5. 0, 5. 0, 5. 0, 5. You'll also notice that on the hundreds chart. 5, 10, 15, 20, we have 5, 0, 5, 0. So our ones place rotates between 0 and 5. Our tens place is going to go up by 1 every 2 times. So when we get to 10, our tens place is 1. 15, our tens place is 1. So now our tens place goes up. 2, 2. Then our tens place goes up again. 3, 3. 4, 4. So we want to think about those patterns as we're looking for missing numbers on a number line. We can also skip count by 100s. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Do you see a pattern here? So you probably said the ones place is always 0. The tens place is always 0. The hundreds place goes up by 1 each time. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then we go back to 0 because we've gotten into the thousands. Then it would be 1,100, 1,200. So when we're looking for missing numbers on number lines, we want to think about those patterns.